Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change Prime Video pin on your Prime Video. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Prime app. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on this picture, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just go up, you click here on this sign here up, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on this parental controls, then it's going to take you here, then you click here on change parent video pin, then it's going to take you here to next window, and you just add your email or phone number and add your Amazon password, and you click here on sign in, and it's going to take you to window. Can you change your Prime Video pin? So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.